Hi. Yes. Thank you.
So this is the key. But the problem is, like, when you turn it, you see how this is loose and it's coming off. So we need a backup key.
Okay, but that key's working, right?
Correct.
We're gonna give me a couple minutes.
All right.
Okay.
Cool.
So we'll see. It's turned. So we got the new key. It's turned. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cycle it. We press the button. Okay. So now we turn it off. Close them and open the door and see. Should be working. Lock. Unlock. Yes. Programming. Add key. Programming successful. Number of key 4. So now it should be start the car. All good. It's 2012 Lincoln MKC. Sí, listo.
Okay.
Un
Gracias,
placer.
Muchizo.
A la orden.